We live in an era of inflation. After the outbreak of the COVID-19 epidemic worldwide caused production supply chain disruptions, countries had to socialize, high unemployment, and economic recession. The U.S. Federal Reserve is constantly pumping money to stimulate the economy, bailouts are launched. Central banks of countries inject money into the economy and bailout packages, stimulating economic expansion around the world. The whole world is flooded with money, everything is money. That is why we live in an era of inflation. The first is inflation on the stock market. We have just witnessed a sharp increase in U.S., China and many countries' stock markets, reaching new record levels in the context of widespread epidemics, recession, high unemployment and tensions with U.S. and China. Next we witness the inflation of gold price as the price of gold continuously increased to historical landmarks yesterday. Gold has surpassed $1,900 an ounce. And in the financial markets we will see inflation in the virtual currency market. Many virtual currencies have risen sharply to 20%, 30% and more. ETH has surpassed the $300 mark. We are about to see the virtual money market break out. Currently, Bitcoin is gradually recovering and breaking through important resistance levels. Many coins have nearly doubled in just 48 hours. Bitcoin price today 26/7 transactions above $9,712 pushed market capitalization to $178.5 billion. Many other leading virtual currencies also surfaced again. At 6:30, the Bitcoin price on CoinDesk was trading at $9,712, up 1.6%, giving each coin an additional $161. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin traded in a range of $9,544–$9,746 United States dollars. The amount of this virtual currency transactions reached $16.5 billion United States dollars. Market capitalization is over $178 billion United States dollars. Bitcoin is currently not far from the $10,000 mark. The number one virtual currency market in terms of capitalization is showing breakthrough signs. Bitcoin has now exited the multi-day trading area between $9,000 and $9,300. Breakthrough growth above $9,700 strengthens buyers. However, on a more macro level, Bitcoin has not yet escaped the broad trading area with the upper band at $10,000. According to analysts, $9,600 is an important threshold that needs attention. Failure to this level can cause a downside reversal, shattering the recent uptrend of Bitcoin. Back to market movements, many other virtual currencies also surged strongly. Accordingly, Ethereum increased 8.5% to $304 United States dollars, market capitalization recorded at $34.07 billion United States dollars. Trading volume reached $10.7 billion United States dollars in the past 24 hours. Cardano increased by 18.3% to $0.1448 United States dollars, bringing market capitalization to $3.7 billion United States dollars. Trading volume reached $264 billion United States dollars. Ripple trades at $0.214, up 4.7%. The two cryptocurrency of Bitcoin family are Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV trading at $249 United States dollars and 70 cents and $187 United States dollars. Capitalization stands at $4.6 billion United States dollars and $3.4 billion United States dollars. Total market capitalization currently records at US $295 billion. In Vietnam, the price of Bitcoin bought at $221.5 million, sold out at $225.3 million, up 1.61% fluctuation. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency with strong price fluctuations. In early 2020, Bitcoin increased from under $7,000 to over $10,000. However, the global COVID-19 pandemic hit the market, pushing the virtual currency into a historic collapse in mid-March and sinking to a bottom of $3,800. Even the crisis caused Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to lose more than 50% of their value in just one day. It is predicted that in the near future Bitcoin price will surpass the $10,000 mark to conquer the $15,000 mark and then return to the $20,000 mark. An era of inflation, everything is inflation. Virtual money is also not out of this rule. Bitcoin and Ethereum follow gold as precious metal aims for all-time high. The Crypto Daily Movers and Shakers, July 26, 2020. It's a mixed start to the day after yesterday's breakout. A Bitcoin fall through to sub $9,675 levels would signal a possible reversal. Bitcoin, BTC to USD, rose by 1.63% on Saturday. Reversing a 0.58% loss from Friday, Bitcoin ended the day at $9,714.90. It was bullish day, with Bitcoin rallying from an early morning intraday low $9,555.50 to a late intraday high $9,754.50. Bitcoin broke through the first major resistance level at $9,645.50 and second major resistance level at $9,731.90 before easing back. A late pullback saw Bitcoin fall back to sub $9,700 levels before wrapping up the day at $9,700 levels. The near-term bullish trend remained intact in spite of the early July pullback to sub $9,000 levels. For the bears, Bitcoin would need to slide through the 62% fib of $6,400 to form a near-term bearish trend. The rest of the pack across the rest of the majors, it was a bullish day on Saturday. Cardano's ADA rallied by 17.76% to lead the way. Bitcoin Cash ABC plus 6.00%, Bitcoin Cash SB plus 7.59%, Ethereum plus 9.30%, and Litecoin plus 11.43% also made strong gains. Binance Coin plus 3.38%, EOS plus 4.99%, Monero's XMR plus 2.55%, Ripple's XRP plus 5.23%, Stellar's Lumen plus 4.71%, Tezos plus 0.89%, and Tron's TRX plus 3.98% trailed the front runners. In the current week, the crypto total market cap fell to a Monday low $262.70 billion before hitting a Saturday high $291.48 billion. At the time of writing, the total market cap stood at $287.68 billion. Bitcoin's dominance rose to a Tuesday high 64.08% before sliding to a Saturday low 61.70%. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's dominance stood at 62.07%. This morning at the time of writing, Bitcoin was down by 0.19% to $9,696.50. A mixed start to the day saw Bitcoin rise to an early morning high $9,722.80 before falling to a low $9,690.40. Bitcoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Elsewhere, it was a mixed start to the day. At the time of writing, Bitcoin Cash ABC plus 0.92% and Bitcoin Cash SB plus 0.33% bucked the trend early on. It was a bearish start for the rest of the majors, however. Stellar's Lumen was down by 1.35% to lead the way down early on. For the Bitcoin day ahead, Bitcoin would need to avoid a fall through the $9,675 pivot to support a run at the first major resistance level at $9,794. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Bitcoin to break out from Saturday's high $9,754.50. Barring another extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Saturday's high would likely cap any upside. In the event of a crypto breakout, Bitcoin could test the second major resistance level at $9,874 and resistance at $10,000. The third major resistance level sits at $10,073. Failure to avoid a fall through the $9,675 pivot level would bring the first major support level at $9,595 into play. Barring an extended crypto sell-off, however, Bitcoin should steer clear of the second major resistance level at $9,476.